Section 11 ka ang baladaron ka vacancy. Kadadaron ka vacancy in case u chief na Syiem uyap. Kidon likely condition balaban ki brio bingla chief. Kata riu deputy Syiem u kasi adult male belonging to the ruling clan mut ki kur but u native. Fi ti menta ni ngilaya Peit sariba. But mentar ngitip syai ba hindi tayong ba maramdor ibakwa ini ka suki Syiem dan si welu. Ti menta dadakadon kata mot kahanya ya ka election.
Mano ita iba Denzil.
Iba peace Syiem. Itaru iyong makwa contest. Tinggal tip syai do kapor bi kwa banyele kani ka suki Syiem. Tirada idon ita tigamut ngihap ban ya saka section 4/5. Ka section 4/5 ko ang returning officer jungi usakhat ita electoral college. But ita electoral college is presiding officer. Presiding officer usa submit you returning officer ya ka no bigijit. But ka executive committee jong this council ka sa ay ta appointment ha ka next session jong council but only after approval jong council then only is issue ya ka appointment order. Hapo ki terms and condition kibigay kata ka appointment order.